Welcome back everyone. We're here yet again to bring you another tutorial on the 2019 Honda Accord. We're going to be showing you how to remove the rear door panels. To do that, we're going to remove this cover here, and we'll be disconnecting the power window unit here. The tools you'll be needing is a clip remover, a handheld screwdriver, and a small flathead. In order to disconnect the power window unit, you're going to want to insert your flathead into the slit here. So you'll want to insert, twist a little bit to pry it up. Then with the same flathead on the side, you'll want to go ahead and give it a slight tug upwards. To remove it, you're going to want to lift slowly. It is connected. You'll want to turn it here. There's a tab that will be pressing down, and then give it a slight tug. Now the screw for this one is located down here. In order to remove the plastic cover here, you'll want to use that same flathead. Insert here slowly so you don't scratch your paint. There should be one clip to remove. In order to remove the door panel, you're going to want to start on the inside. There's a small dip here. This is where you'll start to pull. Then you'll work your way down and to the side. In case a clip does get stuck to the door, you'll need your clip remover. You'll just insert and pull. This is what your door should look like after you remove the panel. In case you need to do it on the other side, it will be the exact same process. That concludes the tutorial for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.